Welcome. Today, I will demonstrate some of the most useful features of aplonHUB, which enables you to manage all your transaction details and flows fast and easily. Let's dive in now to the application. Here we are. You can see that there are two main categories on the menu, the incoming and outgoing messages. Under these categories are the main schemes. Let's go to incoming SEPA. You can search your incoming SEPA messages chronologically and by credit transfer or direct debit through all the tags that can be found in a SEPA message and in combination to tag values. Let's see our messages for this month. All files are now listed here, and you can see the first level of information: serial number, date, file name, reference. Expand a file and see that this is a bulk payment, a PAX 8 containing 5 transactions, settlement date, and right here you'll find the total amount. We can drill down this bulk payment file and see the information of all transactions, each one separately. Here's the AML status. This is amount of the transaction. And we can see here that all transactions are labeled as received. We can change the AML status easily through its dropdown. Let's drill down the transaction for another super useful feature. Here are the tags and values in a comprehensible structure. There's also an audit trail. We see this XML was debulked by aplonHUB SEPA scheduler at this time and date. Let's say we need a payment return for this specific transaction. I will now select the return reason. It's duplication. Okay, let's proceed with that. First, we need to confirm our request. We certainly don't want these types of actions by mistake. The green ticker confirms that the return is scheduled. We can also see that the action was automatically recorded in the audit trail. The label of the transaction here changed to be returned. Let's get back to our bulk file in the SEPA incoming messages. The label is updated everywhere, and the message we so easily produced is now on the output queue. This is a feature-rich payments hub created by an industry expert team, paying attention to the smallest details. aplonHUB gives you total control over your transactions and flows. And as you now know, it's super easy to handle. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to visit our website for more information.